Hi, today we have for you this stand mixer. It's a 6.8 quart, and as you can see, this stainless steel bowl is nice and large, and I like the feature that it has a handle on it, because there's times where I'm holding the bowl and it's very awkward that you actually have a handle here available. And it locks into place in the opening down here, so I'm going to put that in there. So you can lock it in place and it won't move around while the mixer or the blender is going, or the mixer is going. And I love this feature as well. There is a splash guard on here. And as you can see, it's just a piece of plastic with some rubber grips. You slide it on here and you have the opening right here. So if you need to pour anything in while it's doing its thing, it's easy and great, because like I said, when I make frosting and I use that powdered sugar, when you tend to hit an air pocket, it shoots right out of there. So this will help keep that from happening. And right back here on the back side is the tilt. So you hold it, push it down, and it locks in place. And then when you want to tilt it up, you push it down and hold it as well. I recommend holding the top here because there's a spring on it, and if you let it go, it's going to shoot up and freak you out a little bit. It comes with 3 attachments. You have the dough attachment, the paddle, and the whisk. So that's nice that it already comes with those features as well. And if you look in the front here, you have up to 6 levels of speed plus the pulse. So if you need a quick mix, you could do that, and then you could put it up to 6, depending on what you're making. Like I said, I make a lot of frosting, so I don't need it up to 6, but I'm glad I have that option to do that. And it comes with its owner manual, so if you have any questions, it'll tell you what you need on there. I'm going to plug it in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little whipped cream and add a little honey to it. So the attachment I'm going to do is the whisk, and as you see here, let me show you up close. There are little grooves here that fit into these 2 little pegs here on the side. So you slide it through those 2, and then you turn it to the side, and it's attached in place. So like I said, I'll tilt it down, and you have that splash guard. And I'm going to pour the cream in and start getting that all whipped up. I'm going to add a little bit of honey because we like our cream a little sweet. And I'm going to turn on the 1 just to get it going. Probably go faster to get your whipped cream. Done, and it's whipped up and ready to eat or to serve on strawberry shortcake or whatever you do with your whipped cream. And I unlock the bowl, as you see, and it's all whipped up and ready to go. So I think this is a great stand mixer. It worked perfectly for what I needed it for. I like all the features that it has, and I love the splash guard here. So I hope this video is helpful, and thanks for watching.